Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad with Roshni. Today's English headlines. The Election Commission of Pakistan has once again explained its position, the extent of secrecy in the foreign funding case against the ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Private sector's borrowing from banks is said to be most important macro indicator. Went up sharply by over 65% in December 2020. Latest data issued by State Bank shows. The Federal Board of Revenue has notified rules for a claim of reward for detection, recovery of evaded tax, meritorious services and extraordinary performance of tax officials. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said the trials of COVID-19 vaccine are successfully underway in Pakistan, after which the country intends to prepare the vaccine at local level with the help of China. Chinese rescuers pulled 7 gold miners to safety 14 days after they were trapped by an underground explosion. State broadcaster CCTV reported, with at least 4 others still believed to be alive in the mine. An American citizen has hunted the highest-rated Astor markhor, a rare species in Gilgit-Baltistan, after paying $61,500 as a license fee during the current hunting trophy session. Availability of free-of-cost COVID-19 vaccine seems to have been assured for Pakistan, as COVAX has announced that it will acquire 150 million doses in the first quarter and 2 billion doses by the end of this year. Considering South Africa boasts of a formidable pace artillery at their disposal, Pakistan are almost certain to put the tourist trial by spin when the first match of the 2 Test series start here at National Stadium. Actress Sana Fakhr has been at the receiving end of some nasty comments after she shared multiple photos with her husband on Instagram, wishing her suppose on his birthday. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it, comments on it and like it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.